Hey everyone, Dylan here from Autodesk. In this release of Fusion360, we see a very exciting step forward for automation in Fusion360's manufacturing workspace, with the introduction of minimum and maximum diameter ranges for the toolpaths 2D bore, 2D circular and 2D thread, similar to what we see in the drilling toolpath. So how is this beneficial to you, the user? Everyone wants to get to their required outcome in as fewer clicks and as short a time as possible. Let's take this component here. It has numerous holes and bosses. I need to ensure the tolerances are kept and the surface finish on these features is of the highest quality. I don't have a reamer for the holes, so naturally I'm going to helical mill them. The old way in Fusion of doing this would be to measure all of the features to figure out a suitable tool size, then select all of the features and apply the appropriate tool. This is a tedious and time-consuming process, as you can see. Minimum and maximum diameter allows us to identify holes, bosses, or both, which fall within the given range specified by the user. To access it, we change the selection mode to diameter ranges and choose either holes only, bosses only, or both. You can see the selection is dynamically changing when the values are changed. If we don't want some of the holes selected which fall in the min-max range that we've inputted, we can use a containment boundary to restrict which holes are selected. On its own, this functionality is very powerful, but it becomes even more powerful when it's combined with pre-existing features which aid automation. For example, we can use smart expressions for the minimum and maximum diameter ranges to reference our tool diameter. We can use cutting data inside the tool library linked to our tools to prevent the need to input feed and speed values, and we can use templates to store all of this information to use in the future. With all of that said, this is how automated we can make hole and boss selection with this new piece of functionality. I've selected the template I want to use, and the toolpaths have identified all of the holes and bosses using the correct tooling. We've managed to get the desired result in as fewer clicks and as short a time as possible. If for any reason the design is changed, for instance a hole or boss gets slightly larger or smaller, as long as the size of the hole or boss falls within the min-max threshold we've inputted, we can simply regenerate the toolpath without having to completely reprogram it. With that, thank you for watching the video and we hope to see you again next time.